Hello everyone. This application is all about import lead data from XML. The import lead data from XML Odoo app is a powerful tool that allows business to easily import lead data from XML files into their Odoo CRM. Users can import all fields data including messages with message time and date. Now I'll show how this configuration will be done and how this CRM data will be imported. So first you need to go to the dynamic action. Here you need to create a dynamic action. Name of action is CRM applies to. So we are creating this action for CRM module. So I'm giving the module name as lead or opportunity and export file name. How what name should be given for exporting the file should be given here, and fields. We should select the fields whatever present in the CRM module. If you click here, you can see all the field name here. So based on the CRM module, we should put all the field name here. So once the field is added, relation, field, label and type is added automatically. For this messages, if you click on the field, then you will be able to see the create on display name content. So the messages can be created and uploaded. What is the date and what is the time of that message? You can put up here and you can just save this messages also. So once this configuration is done and saved, you need to click this action button, and this is for the 16 version, and for 16 version you need to upload the data of 14 and 15. 16 version data is not supported for this particular option. So dynamic action will be created, and after action is click, then we need to go to the CRM module and for the pipeline, and here you will be able to see all the data uploaded. You can click on one of the data, and in action button you will be able to see import lead data. So clicking on import lead data, it will show the import file which needs to be imported. So right now I'll just import from the version 14 the CRM module and the test.xml, and I'll just click on import button. Clicking on import button, you will be able to see this data is uploaded as a modern open space, and here all the data which will be provided in this XML file will be uploaded here. So in extra information, the company name and the campaign, media, everything is imported. And these messages can also be imported with date and time, everything. So this is regarding the CRM model. If you have any query, then please note down in the comment section and the below query section. Don't forget to like, subscribe our channel. Thank you.